In this video, we will discuss the process of spermatogenesis, the process of maturation of reproductive cells of the testes in male, and the formation of male gamete or sperm is known as spermatogenesis. The entire process of the spermatogenesis divided into two parts. First is the formation of the spermatids and second one is the metamorphosis of the spermatids into sperm. Let's discuss the first phase, formation of spermatids. The process of the formation of the spermatids from the primary germ cells. What is primary germ cells? In human being, it originates from the endodermal epithelium of the yolk sacs. The process of the formation of spermatids is divided into three phases. First one is the multiplication phase, second is the growth phase, and third one is the maturation phase. First phase, multiplication phase. The primordial cells of the germinal epithelium, which is lining the seminiferous tubules of the testes, are known as primary germ cells. It undergo repeated mitotic cell division and produces sperm mother cells or spermatogonia. It has the 2 number of chromosome. This picture showing the entire process of the spermatogenesis. This is the spermatogonia and it is the multiplication phase, second one is the growth phase, and third one is the maturation phase. Second phase, that is growth phase. The spermatogonia is formed at the end of the multiplication phase, increases in size by the accumulation of the nourishing material and attain maturity. The mature spermatogonia is known as primary spermatocytes and it is ready for maturation phase. During the end of the multiplication phase, one spermatogonia take the cytoplasm and other nourishing material and form the primary spermatocytes. And third phase is the multiplication phase. In multiplication phase, each primary spermatocytes divided by reduction division. This division is termed as the first maturation phase. In this way, two haploid daughter cells form, which is known as secondary spermatocytes, each of which contain n number of chromosomes. The secondary spermatocytes again undergo second maturation division by simple reduction division and form the 4 spermatids. Each spermatids undergo metamorphosis and change into sperm, which has long tail, small head and nucleus. This is the maturation phase. Primary spermatocytes undergo first maturation division, which is reduction division, and form the 2 cells. This is known as secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes also undergo reduction division and form the 4 spermatids. This is the first phase of the spermatogenesis. Second phase is this diagram showing the diagram of the structure of sperm. This is the head, it is the middle piece, and it is the tail. Second phase is the spermiogenesis. Metamorphosis of the spermatids into sperm is known as spermiogenesis. In this process of the gradual differentiation of the non-motile rounded spermatids into active and motile sperm occur. The spermatids form as a result of the maturation division. It is a typical cells and containing mitochondria, Golgi body, centrioles and haploid nucleus. During spermiogenesis, these undergo changes and change its form and position. The changes in this process are as follows. First is the change in nucleus. The nucleus of the spermatids shrink by losing much of its water from nuclear sap and chromosome become closely packed into small vacuole. This reduces weight of the spermatozoon and enhances its motility. The whole RNA and other non-chromatic material are also removed on only leaving the hereditary material, which is deoxyribonucleic protein in the nucleus. The nucleus change into its shape, spherical form, it become elongated, ovoid and flattened. This is the changes which is occur in the nucleus of the spermatids. Second change occur in the centrioles. The spermatids contain two centrioles. During spermatogenesis, these move and come to lie behind the nucleus. One of them enter the depression developed in the posterior part of the nucleus, and it is called the proximal centriole. The other one is called distal centriole. It lie behind the proximal centriole. The distal centriole give rise to the axial filament of the flagellum and act as a basal granule. The third changes occur in the changes mitochondria. Mitochondria from different parts of the spermatids accumulate around the proximal part of the axial filament between distal centriole and ring centriole in the middle piece of the spermatozoon. Gradually, these mitochondria fuse together and forming the closely packed body, one on either side of the axial filament. This twisted spirally forming sheath around the axial filament, and this spiral sheath give the energy to the spermatids, because mitochondria is the storehouse of the energy. It gives the strength to the sperm when it's move. This is the process showing the metamorphosis of the spermatids into sperm. Fourth changes occur in the formation of acrosome. Acrosome is the parts of the nucleus which is lie in the head of the sperm. The Golgi complex of the spermatids form a acrosome of the spermatozoon. It forms the cap around the nucleus. This is the cap which lie around the nucleus, is forming the cap. Next change is the loss of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm of the spermatids is lost and remaining form a condensed layer around the periphery of the spermatozoon. This is known as manchette around the mitochondrial sheath of the middle piece. This is the entire process showing the formation of the sperm from the spermatids. And sperm is the motile form of the spermatozoon. The significance of the spermatogenesis. As a result of the spermatogenesis, male gamete or spermatogonia are formed. At the second significance, at the end of the spermatogenesis, 4 haploid spermatids are formed from each primary spermatogonia. Third significance is that due to the spermatogenesis, the non-motile spermatids change into the motile sperm, which is ensure fertilization. And fourth significance is that spermatogenesis is the means of maintaining specific chromosome number constant. This is the process of the entire process of the spermatogenesis. Thanks.